Hey guys,
Are your Bose headphone pads looking a little beat up like mine?
no worries, you can replace them in less than 5 minutes without any tools. First you need to order some new ones. The official replacement from Bose are a bit pricey at over $30, so I'd go with ones from Amazon. They're a third the price and the quality is indistinguishable. In the description you can find links to some of the ones I would recommend. These are the replacement pads I got. Let's see what's inside. It comes with a pair of ear pads, the left and right mats, a pick tool, and the manual.
Now let's remove and replace the ear pads.
First, you want to remove the old pads by reaching in and under the cushion with 2 fingers, gripping firmly, and simply pull them out. It snaps out quite easily. If you've had your headphones for a while, you'll want to replace the left and right mats, as they can have a lot of dust and dirt build up over time. After removing the left and right mats, clean out any additional dust and dirt you find inside. Now install the new left and right mats, making sure not to mix them up, as this can be done quite easily. Now to install the ear pads. First align the ear pad with the headphone and push the edge of the ear pad under the hooks found around the edge of the headphones. You will hear a loud click every time one of these is secured into place. When you're finished, give the ear pad a tug to make sure everything is done correctly. And that's it. Your headphones are as good as new. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoy the rest of your day.